Oh gosh. When you step on
Hey, Claire. Don't do that.
You want to hear mommy too. Oh boy. You troublemaker. Oh! Don't step on the lizard.
Ouchie, says the lizard.
Oh boy.
You're stepping on me.
What's Rosie doing?
No, she's just kind of watching.
She's like, what is she doing?
Ah!
Oh.
Honey, you're gonna break him if you stomp on him. Stop. You're gonna break him.
You're gonna pop him.
Higher. I want him to go higher.
Okay. Alright, he's gonna go higher
Oh, I
now.
want it to be the
It takes a
high.
little bit for the water to go in there. That's the highest it goes.
That's the highest it goes.
Yep.
Come on, Rosie, play with me.
We have one of her doing this last year.
I know.
Yay!
What are you doing, Rosie? Ah!
Hey, you want me to
Rosie,
back
come
here,
over
Chris?
here.
Oh, it's okay.
Claire's head's in it. Claire's head's not even in it.
I was trying to get Rosalie.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Rosie, do you like it? Oh, it's the wind in her face.
Rosie, turn around.
Turn around and say hi to Mommy. Ah!
Cold, Rosie? Looks like she's cold. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, she's shivering.
Yes.
Oh, God.
She's shivering.
All right.